Hello, Pastor. Good morning, sir. We are fine, sir. We are fine, sir. Okay, the program, the 7 days fasting and prayer. All right, we join for the program. 6 to 12, right? All right, sir. Bye.
Which kind of 7 days fast? Who they do 7 days fast? Now, guys find where they go. Oh, wow.
Daddy.
Emeka?
I'm going to Uncle Emma's house for that my engineering project.
Oh, and our program is starting this week.
Which program?
7 days fasting we have in our church.
Sorry, let me stay behind now.
No, go. It's part of your project, right?
Yeah.
No, you can go. Next time you can join us.
Okay.
Okay, now.
Uncle.
How am I seeing? Emeka?
Uncle.
How are you?
I'm fine now.
Nah, this one you came to visit us.
So let me come and stay with you.
I hope you stay long, right?
Maybe 1 month or...
Thank you, Lord. It's like it's the Lord that told you to come. We are starting a 21 days firebrand prayer and fasting. 6 to 6 months. Let's go.
You think say why?
Why are you running?